So answer me this. What would happen if it sucked nothing in and blew nothing out? Is that what it would do? Do I have to buy a bracket to eliminate this piece of shit? I already ripped out the hoses. Do I have to have a bracket? And a free pulley? Because I'm not going to buy a shorter belt. That doesn't sound like a good idea. So today, Jill and I are replacing a motor mount. Maybe even both of them. I have all three, the transmission mount, both motor mounts. I don't know if I'm going to do all of them. This side is crushed. Look at the room on this side. So I've loosened this. And I can't really find anything else I should have to worry about. Except for maybe the distributor. So it looks like I'm going to have to order a bracket because I decided I'm going to remove this hose. I'm going to get rid of that damn thing over there. And I want to get rid of this because it does nothing. So a little bit of history. This truck was owned by my uncle who lived down in Florida. And he blew up the motor driving up to Minnesota once upon a time. And my dad bought it from him, and then I bought it from my dad because he didn't have the time or money to fix it. It's getting too old or something. So I plan on turning this into a rat rod, or hot rodding it a little bit. Looks like the EGR stuff has already been, was never put back or whatever. I had to take points out and put a spark computer in. I can tell you right now that these manifolds look like they're going to be fun to remove.